Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about how to fix AirPods Pro 2 case not charging. So number 1, connect your AirPods to power. If you have AirPods or AirPods Pro, place your AirPods in the charging case and close the lid. Connect a lightning cable or USB-C cable to your charging case. Depending on your model, charge your AirPods and case for at least 15 minutes. Number 2, check your cable connections. For AirPods, AirPods Pro, or AirPods Max, make sure the charging cable is plugged firmly into the charging case and the USB power adapter, and the power adapter is correctly plugged into a working power outlet. Number 3, check the charge status. If you have AirPods or AirPods Pro, open the case lid with your AirPods inside and hold your case close to your iPhone or iPad. And number 4, reset your AirPods. When you reset your AirPods, any custom settings you've made for your AirPods also reset. That's it. Thanks for watching.